Welcome to CPAPmachines.ca. Today we are unboxing the ultimate package so you know what to expect when you make a purchase from us. Let me open the box. In my opinion, I think the ultimate package is the best value for a CPAP package. It includes everything from the machine to the SoClean to all the masks and accessory that you'll need. But first, let me take everything out of the box and I'll show you what's inside. So here it is. I took everything out of the box and let's see what's actually inside. First, you'll find the invoice, the postcard, and our monthly promo in the box. And in this case, the client purchased the AirSense 10 for her auto CPAP. So here it is. Inside the travel package, you will find the machine, the water chamber that goes to the side, the power supply and the power cord, as well as the standard tubing. With this package, you will also receive the heated tube for the machine, an extra water chamber, some mask wipe for cleaning purposes, some extra filters, as well as a choice of mask. This is a brand new mask, and if you're curious on what mask this is, stay tuned for the next video. For the ultimate package, you will also receive the SoClean sanitizing unit and the corresponding adapter for your SoClean to your machine. Okay, so this is what you'll expect when you purchase the ultimate package from CPAPmachines.ca.